How you all doing? Thank you so much for joining me in this little random walk to see where I'm going. Bit of artwork again. I've never been in any of these places. Smells of urine. There's the auctioneers there. There's another little alley there. Again, none of this has ever been seen to me before. The camera captures it, my eyes capture it for the first time. Some of you have been here before, I'm sure. Let me know. Others are experiencing it in real time with me to Cafe Andaluz. How's your day been? Mine's has been fine. Just trying to muster and manifest the energy to keep things sensitive and loving and keep all the fears and anxieties and any kind of malevolencies that would creep in at bay. But it's much easier when I have yourselves. There's not an hour goes by where I don't look at comments and speak with yourselves, and it just makes it so much easier. And I know I say that a lot, and I know a lot of YouTubers say that kind of thing, but I mean it really does help. So, how you all doing? How's your day been? Your night been? Have you done anything interesting? Any positive news? Anything that's concerning? I know Christmas is coming up, so there's an awful lot of financial concerns for everybody. But for myself, that is there. But I'm focusing as much as I can on health. How can I maintain my health so that I can access time with the people I love as much as possible? Right, let's go, my friends. Can I pick up this food yet? Let me just see what time it is. In 1 minute I can pick it up. Is that right? Let's see. Collection starts at 6. So where are we? There we are. What we'll do is we'll cut through Queen Street. That'll kill a minute. Maybe somebody's on a piano. Maybe they're playing Interstellar by Hans Zimmer. Did anybody get Hans Zimmer tickets? Putting me to shame. I got the fear and hesitated and didn't press buy. But to drop money, that amount for gig tickets for something that happens. Sorry about the wind. I've not got my phone. 2 seconds. I had to drop that amount of money for something that's November next year, when it's not even November this year. It's quite an ask. You never know, maybe at some point somebody will sell a ticket next year and we'll get there. Let's just snake through here. Ready, my friends? Let's just snake right through here. The wind of the Faster Master. There we go, there's a big dog. Yeah, we get a lowdown on the dog. Wow. Good nothing, you're beautiful. The piano's not in use. Queen Street Station on a Wednesday night. Man getting his pizza up the road. Get some cacao, get some carbs. M&S, anyone like a croissant? £2.50 please. Right, so the place that we're reviewing for their Too Good To Go mystery bag is off the rails, which is a bit like this channel, isn't it? It seems illogical and chaotic, but it's actually not. It's full of love. I did, my friend, just to pick up Too Good To Go.
Just about to get them together. Give me a moment, buddy. Just see a swipe the thingy.
Yeah, no problem, mate. Oh, no. There we go, my friend.
Brilliant, thank you, mate.
Thank you.
I'll have that ready for you.
Thank you very much, mate. Oh, this is lovely. Look at that. Wow. Thank you very much. Exactly, my friend. Thank you.
Just so you know, mate, there's some croissants in there. They've been sat out all day.
Aye.
Just give them a little bit of water in the oven.
Uh-huh.
Good as gold.
Right.
When I use them, I normally freeze them
Uh-huh.
and just put them in the oven for about 10 minutes.
Right.
So,
Thank you so much, my friend. You have a lovely evening. All the very best, mate. Thank you. There you go, my friend. That guy was amazing. Lovely, lovely guy. Honest, natural, enjoying his job, but not fake in any way. So that was excellent. We'll see how this is. Let's find a place where we can unbox. I'm just going to stop so I'm not going to waste your time. Right, my friends, I've decided to take us to the darkest environment that I could find to review the food. And I'm starving, so I've had to wait, but I was looking for, this is normally all lit up with like fairy lights and it's lovely, but I don't know if it's the time of year or Glasgow City Council. I don't know if Glasgow City Council have decided to cut their bills, but we can see what we can do anyway. See if we can get a place with a little bit more light. I can see over there. And you can see what we actually got out of that off the rails for, I think it was, I'll tell you the price. I'll tell you the price in a minute, I can't quite see. There's a camera over there. We've got a cathedral here. That's at night. Beautiful, isn't it? Is there anywhere? There's lighting over there, but yeah, we'll go up the stairs. Hold on. Hold up. This is a Royal Infirmary. I know this building very, very well. Adela, I know you know this building very well too. So, what we got there? Let's go up here. This looks not too bad. Not a bit of lighting. Does you like the lighting? The Moth on tour. This is such a brutalist food review, this, isn't it? Look, we've got a little bag. There we go. Let's see what we got. Enough of the ranting. So, for let me just get the price out. I'll show you. For £3.39, this is what we got. So, box number one, we got, what is that? Hold on. This is the worst food unboxing on the planet. Oh my god, if you're still watching. The photons, I'm sorry Charlie, the photons are not with me tonight, but that's like dried bacon. That looks quite good, let me try a wee bit. I'm into it. Decent. What have we got in this? Oh, is that cake? Maybe I'll just have a bit of cake with my bacon. That's nice. 2 boxes. In the bag, we've got some big croissants. Oh my god, look at the size of this. What do you say this? Hold on. Look at the size of that. Size of my head. Get a wig on that. Right, and we've got another one. There's another big croissant. There we go. That's not too bad. So we've got 2 extra large croissants, and the fella says stick them in the oven with a little bit of water or something like that. I'll watch the video to see. And that was £3.39. I think that's pretty good. We've got some bacon, we've got some cake, and we've got some croissant. That's excellent for £3.39 in my opinion. Great service. It's all, I mean, it's all cooked fresh in there. It's fair enough, it's at the end of the day. But aye, I'm happy with that. £3.39. What do you think? You think that's good value? I can have some bacon, some protein, wee bit of cake, and a couple of croissants. We could chop them, put some mayonnaise on them, maybe some, put the bacon on it. Put the bacon on that. We've got some nice croissants, and a wee bit of cake after, a wee bit of pudding for £3. I'm into it. I'm into it. There we go, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm sorry that the lighting's bad. I was looking for somewhere really nice, but I failed. But thanks for spending your time with me. I hope you're having a great day and a great night, and I'll catch you very, very soon.